Hey there, this is Django, and this is demo for the Orbital Machining's Lego Saber. This is my personal one, and it's going to be going up for sale. Okay, I'm going to go through everything that's included, all the features, and how to use everything. Okay, so this is the display mode. The stand will be included. This is the green acrylic blade, and it's basically just so you can show it as like a regular Lego saber. This has a crystal shard in it, lithium-ion rechargeable battery. I think it's a 18500. It's got a tri-rebel green, white for the main LED. It does have flash on clash, but you have to actually swing it against something to activate the white flash on clash. Okay, this has a kill key in it. That's that black thing right there. You can get to it via unscrewing this, the pommel, and this also gives you SD card access. And this is the crystal shard right here, and there's the SD card right there. So you can change your font to whatever you want.
Lego OT.
And it's got the Lego Saber font on it. I think that was by Lord Blacko, but I could be wrong. And it should be pretty smooth. Okay. Okay, so you can see it does light up the green blade. You'll also be receiving this clear acrylic blade too. I'm going to show that to you right now. And this is the sleeve for the green acrylic blade. I always try and keep this on here so I know which side has been in the hilt. And here's the clear one. So you can see it's a nice bright green. There it goes. There you can see the flash on clash. Now, this also has the adapter for a 1-inch blade. That would be this one. And this is, oh, I forgot to say, this is number 9 in the run. An early number. Okay, so I push that in, and it's basically, it's pretty tight fit, but you want to get it flush with the bottom, and then you want to tighten this. So your blade doesn't come out accidentally. Okay. Next, this. Now you have a standard 1-inch blade. Okay, The crystal shard also has a deep sleep mode, so if you don't leave the put the kill key back in, then it will last a very long time. Once it senses it's idle, it just kind of goes into very low power and doesn't use hardly anything. Okay, so what you will be getting with this purchase is you get the hilt, you get the clear acrylic blade, the green acrylic blade. I do not have any other colors and do not have access to any, so please don't ask. And the adapter. All this comes with the sale. Thank you for looking, and have a good one. Later.